Hello everyone and welcome to Autopilot for Testers, a suite of advanced AI capabilities designed to revolutionize testing as we know it. With Autopilot, you can evaluate the quality of your requirements, generate manual tests from those requirements, automate these manual tests, and gain actionable insights into your test results. Let's dive right in. To evaluate your requirements, simply navigate to the Requirements section in Test Manager. Select the requirement and then click Evaluate Quality. Optionally, add extra documents like security and accessibility guidelines for a deeper evaluation. After selecting your documents, specify what aspects you want Autopilot to focus on during the evaluation, and then give it a go. Autopilot then gets to work, analyzing the requirement to provide the top suggestions for enhancing its quality. You can dive deeper into these suggestions and add them to the requirement for further refinement. Now, this is just a peek at how Autopilot helps improve your requirements for clarity, consistency, completeness, and more quality aspects. For generating tests, let's select another requirement and let's click Generate Tests. Optionally include documents that provide more information about the requirement to give Autopilot additional context for generating tests. Next, provide instructions that guide Autopilot on what to consider when generating tests, and then get things rolling. Autopilot then jumps right in, sifting through all this information to propose the top manual tests for that requirement. After that, just select the tests you want to create, hit Create, and your tests are ready and linked. Going to one of these manual tests, we see that Autopilot doesn't just create the titles for these tests, but also step-by-step instructions to enable you to execute these manual tests right away. Now let's head over to Studio to automate these manual tests. To do that, let's select one, and with a single click bring it into Studio. Now this converts the test steps of that manual test case into text comments. Now, with your object repository holding the technical components of your application, Autopilot has all the tools it needs to work its magic. Just hit Generate Code and it begins. Autopilot then analyzes the test steps, taps into our driver framework, and there you have it. Your manual test is now automated. Now let's head back to Test Manager to see how Autopilot helps to analyze the results of all the test cases we just automated in Studio. To do that, let's go to the Test Results section, where all your test results are listed. To make sense of these hundreds of test results, simply click Generate Insights. Autopilot then processes these large volumes of data, and once done with analyzing, Autopilot shows you which tests are failing, gives you insights about why they are failing, and provides actionable recommendations to fix your failing tests. For a deeper dive, click on any of these insights to view all test cases and test results related to that specific insight. Then return to the report to explore more of Autopilot's findings and expand each section for additional details. That's analysis made easy. So that's how Autopilot brings the power of AI to every phase of testing. Now, what's the motivation behind Autopilot? Well, we've developed Autopilot with one goal in mind: to enable testers to always perform at the highest potential. In essence, we aim to empower every tester to be the best. Thank you so much.